This is the SC Project GP M2 exhaust for the Suzuki GSX-R600 and 750 models from 2011 and up. The GP M2 exhaust is known for its performance without having an excessive amount of volume and sound behind it. A removable dB killer and all mounting hardware is included with your kit. You can find this SC Project exhaust at accessoryinternational.com.
My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.